Hey everybody, I'm Jim Garrett, Senior Director of Product Strategy and Planning with Harman's Luxury Audio Group. Been here at Northridge talking about two of our latest JBL products that we've introduced here last night and today here at the office, the JBL MA series of AVRs and the JBL Stage 2 series of loudspeakers. And this was two product lines that were designed to work together as a single solution for home theater systems. And we wanted to take an approach, a fresh approach to a traditional category, bring some new life into it, addressing new younger customers. And we've been walking through all of the design inspiration, the features, the capabilities of the systems, and the target customers here with everybody over the last day and a half. So we had taken a very much a simplistic approach to these products, eliminate a lot of the intimidation factor that people had. It prevented them from getting into this category, and make these things very simple, very easy to use and operate. And when we did that, we were identifying three core customer types that we would have in here of where are these customers coming from. In the case of the JBL brand, these are products that they were going to come up on our portable speakers, our headphones, and into our sound bars. And then as we want to move into traditional performance component audio, we wanted to keep them in our brand. So that was one that we identified. So how about that customer that had a sound bar and he's going to want to get into a performance audio system? So we've created something for them. How about the customer that's hi-fi curious, that's getting into music, they're listening to vinyl, they're streaming music and content in there, and they want that ease of connectivity and just a better performing system overall. And then of course the traditional performance player, so somebody that wants to get into that full-blown Dolby Atmos immersive audio solution. So we've got something for everybody in this range, and again, products that are a single brand solution with a mantra of simplicity, make it easy to use, make it sound great, just give people the features that they really want to have. So in this particular system, we're showing the flagship in the loudspeaker range. This is the Model 280F. This is our biggest tower speaker in here. These are at $11.99 retail US. It's a dual 8-inch configuration, 1-inch metal dome tweeter with our high definition imaging waveguide geometry up top, acoustic lens on it. So pure JBL technology in here. If you were to look at the internal components of these, powerful motor structures on those, our high frequency technology is all patented in it, and then even a very nice crossover network, the type of performance and features that you wouldn't necessarily find in this price point of speaker. On top of that, this is a unique model in the range. This is a 240H, so this is a very flexible speaker that can be an Atmos elevation speaker as it is here, or it can be hung on a wall and used as a traditional surround speaker. We actually have a switch on the back so you can connect one of two different crossover networks in it, depending on how you're going to use this product. And you'll also see here this little short jumper cable. So we've integrated the Atmos cabling into the floor standing loudspeaker. So I just need this short jumper cable if I'm going to use them as elevation on top of the loudspeaker. Here we've got the 245C center channel. So this is designed, of course, for home theater. This is quad 4.5-inch woofers, same high frequency technology that we would use in the rest of the products. We've got a smaller floor stander. We've got two bookshelf speakers that are also available in the range, depending on what you want to do. If you want to start with a 2-channel system and go up from there to 5.1, 7.1, however you want to do it. And of course, we have our subwoofers. So we have two models. We have a 10-inch and a 12-inch. This is the larger model. And that brings that low frequency energy into your music and your movies, or even your gaming. So that's certainly something that we want to approach with these systems as well. So one of the cool things that we learned during our research and all the work that we put into the development of these products was learning to see how people were going to live with these products in their home and how that's shifted as the younger generations have come about. The way they live with technology is very much different. Types of products that they want to have seen out on display would be very different. So that traditional black box type of product wasn't going to work. We took some inspiration again from gaming consoles. So the white color that's found, of course, on like devices like a PlayStation was part of the inspiration for this. You'll also see this underglow element that's available on the HP models. In this case, it's currently randomizing through the different colors that were in there, but we wanted to have a little bit of fun, a little bit of drama that comes in with those. So this is something that's selectable for the user. But you can see the white front panel, the translucent front panel that we have with the anti-fingerprint coating on it, the large full color display, which I can set to turn off and be in stealth mode. And then we took this concept of what we had here and the simplistic remote, and we extended that CMF, this colorway, out to the loudspeakers. So when you look at the loudspeakers now, we've got the white front baffle on it that matches, and we've got the light wood finish on this. So we even gave these unique names. So this is the latte finish of the loudspeaker, and then the dark finish is the espresso version. So again, we wanted to just look at this and take a different approach, a fresh approach to a mature category, and have all of these things that would address this new younger customer that we want to attract to the products. So one of the other cool elements that we've incorporated into these products is that they are Works with SmartThings certified. So another element of how you would use and operate the products is to make them very simplistic, so that a single button push in a SmartThings integrated environment, I could have the lights change, the shades could dim, the TV will switch to the input that I need it to be on. So we're showcasing that here with the Philips Hue lighting system and this product here with the AVR to show that if I wanted to put a simple system together, I can make a very easy to use configuration with any product that is part of the Works with SmartThings ecosystem. All of the Samsung televisions now have a SmartThings hub built into them, so you don't need that if you've already got one of their televisions. This product in the AVR will already talk to it and then start to pull in other features like lighting and shades in order to have a complete ecosystem that make it very simple, easy to use, open technology with the SmartThings ecosystem.